Hi friends, welcome back to Angular tutorial full series. In today's episode, we will learn about Angular pipes. What is Angular pipes? How do we use it? What are the different built-in types? And how can we create custom pipes? We'll learn all about it in this tutorial. This is a two-part series where we'll learn first about what pipes are, how do we implement them, and in the next section, we will talk about the parameterized pipes, chaining pipes, etc. Let's get started. Before we proceed, friends, my request is please subscribe to my channel to keep supporting and encouraging me. Also, if you have any questions, any doubts, feel free to add them in the comment section and I will be happy to help you for free. Let's get started. All right, so what is Angular pipes? Angular pipes are used to transform the data before it is displayed in our templates. Pipes will take some data input as inputs and then transform it into another desired format before displaying them. Now pipes are represented with the symbol pipe in templates. Example, how do you write it? Is we are using an interpolation here with value and pipe and followed by pipe name. We'll see that in practical in just a bit. So let's talk some of the built-in pipes. So there are various built-in pipes available like uppercase, lowercase, date, currency, and percent pipe. We'll see all of them in practical in just a bit. All right. So before we get again, my friends, remember if you are stuck anywhere, if you have any technical doubt, add them in the comments and I'll be happy to help you. Let's get into practical. All right. So I have my application here. Let's get this running by serving ng serve. It will take a minute or so. Let's give that. All right. So our application is compiled successfully. Now let's see the output first and then we'll get into implementing our pipes. Go to your browser. That's our channel if you and and localhost. So this is a simple application that we are building. We'll continue working on it. Now, important thing, friends, is first we'll start with some of the basics and then we'll grow into complex use cases. So, all right. So let's first see the component.ts file. So I have a simple object here which says user, first name, last name, date of birth, and salary. Now we will use this to transform it in our UI, right? And then we will transform first name, last name, use different type of pipes like uppercase, lowercase, date. All right, so this is our object. Now let's go to our component.html and I've written some code for you so we don't waste time, but I'll explain and walk through it one by one. All right, so here I'm printing user salary. Now this is the pipe symbol and I'm using currency pipe and I'm specifying what type of currency I want to display, right? So I'll first show you the output without the currency. So I'm just simply printing the user salary. So let's see, here we see 21,700. So we are seeing the user salary getting displayed in our template. Now let's transform this. And how do we do that? Using a pipe. So here I have added a currency and I'm saying I want the currency to be displayed as USD. So now let's see the output. All right, so let's save this. All right, so there you see now there is a symbol which says dollar sign, right? Now let's change it. Let's make it INR. So now it should reflect Indian rupees. So you see here the value is now Indian symbol. So this is an example of built-in pipe currency. Now similarly, let's take one more example of built-in pipe, which is uppercase. So here we are printing the user first name and then transforming it into uppercase using a pipe symbol. So let's see the output. So you see here, it is now showing in caps. Now let's make this lowercase. So now it is lowercase, right? So title case is first character is capitalized. So this is how you can use uppercase, lowercase, or title case string. Now let me show you percentage. All right, so here we are printing the user's salary, and then we are saying %2, right? Let's percent, let's make it, or let's chain it otherwise. So I'll cover this in the next tutorial with along with chaining. For now, let's just go on to the next, which is our date. So here we are printing our user date of birth, and we are specifying the format that we desire. In this case, I'm saying I want the date of birth to be displayed as DD MMM YYYY. That's, let's see that output. So we can see here 17 December 1995. You can see here, right? Now I'm going to change this look and feel. So now we will say we want only the integer, not the name. So now it shows 12. So this is how we can use Angular pipes to transform the data. Now, now one example I'll give you. So this was about using the basic pipes in Angular. Now let's see something about chaining the multiple pipes together. So here we have, so here we are transforming our pipe, our values using multiple pipes, which means I'm using more than one pipe on this particular value to transform it. So here I'm saying slice 2 comma 2, start from 2, end index is 6, and then make it uppercase. So let's see the value. The last name is tutorials. So it should break down from 2 to 6 and then convert it to uppercase. So you see here, this is the output coming from tutorials. Now, this is how you chain more than one pipe in Angular template. Here we are using slice and uppercase, both pipes together, and that's how the value is achieved. All right, join me in the next episode where I talk about parameterizing pipes and passing values. Thank you so much for joining. If you have any questions, any doubts, ask them in the comment section below. I'll be happy to help you. Thank you.